Alex Fedorov. So I shoot this video because I see there is a lot of noise about new Facebook updates, and Facebook has removed certain features from the custom. So there's a lot of noise and a lot of people saying that Facebook ads don't work, Facebook ads have died, and like drop shipping died, like Shopify died. Like a lot of people saying this just to create noise in the marketplace, but if you just think about it, like nothing has changed really. Like for people who really serious advertisers, nothing has changed. And so what will happen now, and what basically happened for years, and as you see this trend from where the Facebook ads have been created, like they always like introduce new features and new kind of like things to improve the platform, to make it better for users, and also to to protect the data, because let's be honest, like this is like a real issue right now. And what will happen, like the farther like years from now, if you just like project like next like 3-5 years, like they'll be going in this trend. They'll be more strict with advertisers, they'll be more strict on policies, so you really have to like keep your policies, like you have to really like be compliant with all the policies, and you have to be really like good advertiser in order to attract attention, because the the noise in the marketplace is huge, and a lot of people trying to advertise. So basically what will happen now is, first of all, and what you need to do, so I'll just tell you what you need to do. Basically you need to make sure that you comply with all of the Facebook policies. You need to make sure that your landing pages are compliant, that you do not sell products that are prohibited with Facebook, and I think that all of the like make money online products, like make money online things will disappear from Facebook in just a few months. They have an agenda to do that, so just be sure that you are compliant and you do not break any of the Facebook policies, because if you lose your ad account, it will be hard for you to get it back, and it will be very unpleasant experience. So just make sure you comply with Facebook policies. Now, in terms of custom audiences, what you need to do is, as you don't see those like estimated reach, how many people are in your custom audiences, what you need to do is basically start small. You need to start small with the advertising audiences that you have. And so let's say if you don't know how many visitors to the website you had in the last, let's say 7 days or 14 days, and you're spending $100 to reach that audience, and let's say that audience is really small. So what will happen, your ads will be like, you show your ads again and again and again to the same type of people, and what will happen, people will be really like, those, first of all, they start responding to your ads. Second, they might click, spam or, complain for your ads. Your relevancy score will drop. You'll pay more for a click. You'll pay more to reach that audience. And so, and also not only that, but you'll spend more money on it. And that money will be wasted. So your ROI will be lower than it should be. So what you should do then is to lower and start small, like start from $5-10, start from $20, from small budget, just to estimate how fast you can reach that audience. And then once you identified, okay, so it will take me, let's say, several days to reach that audience, you can gradually grow your budget on that audience, because that audience is of certain size that I can reach in about 3-5 days. So you kind of like need to experiment, and you kind of need to develop that kind of feeling where you feel okay, so I need to improve this and this and this. So you have to read the Facebook analytics better now, actually, and you have to really adjust to what is going on with your Facebook advertising campaigns, because that will, like from now on, it will be always changing. And as Facebook has always been like changing policies, adding new features, removing features in order to create better experience for users. Sometimes it's good for advertisers, sometimes it doesn't, and they also like remove some of the custom audiences that you cannot reach anymore. And what will happen now is you cannot reach those audiences, but what you can do, you can actually like target audiences that are more generic and start getting that market product fits, are starting selling to those products. And then once you develop those and once you got some custom audiences in place, you can create lookalikes and you can scale from there. So this is important for you to know that, you know, some of the custom audiences, some of the audiences that you can target based on behavior, based on on income, they'll disappear from Facebook soon. So you just have to be ready for that and just don't freak out. So guys, just wanted to share it with you. Times are changing. Facebook ads, still amazing place to get traffic, to grow your business, but now you have to be just, you know, little better advertisers than, it used to be, and you have to just level up with all of the updates that are happening. But it's still amazing place, guys, and a lot of like fortunes are still made in Facebook advertising. So don't get discouraged. And you know, if you like this video, guys, just subscribe to this channel, and you know, there's some gifts for you as well on the bottom of this page, and I'll see you in next videos. Thank you very much.